Good mighty morning owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, December 10th, 2020. It's a D day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Florida Academy is the best school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade scholars rocked it in their math semester exam. Nice job, scholars, in making sure you completed your test and you did your best job. Nice job. Also, scholars, super proud of scholars each and every day that come and do their best by annotating, by putting their hashtags, by showing their work on their math problems, and by reading every day. Every day, we have more and more scholars hitting Word Masters and getting closer and closer to being royal readers. Remember, next Thursday, if you are a royal reader, you get to have a virtual celebration. We are so excited for those scholars who have already made it to royal readers and look forward to even more joining our club. Nice job, scholars. Also, scholars, today from 4:30 to 6, tell your families to decorate their cars and come on out and see us. Come through and let's see who wins the best decorated car. Can't wait to see you all here. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!